Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the quick and easy steps to install Chatina, the ultimate live chat plugin for WordPress. Whether you are looking to engage and connect with your website visitors in real time, boost your engagement, or simply provide a stellar customer support, Chatina has got you covered. So grab a coffee, relax, and let's get your WordPress site equipped with Chatina in just a few minutes. Ready? Let's dive in. First of all, uh, we have to go to chatina.ai, Chatina website, and then we have to click on Launch App and go to Chatina's app. Here you can log in or register with your Google account or your email. So I will click on Sign in with Google and I will register with my Google account. I will select one of my Google accounts here. Then here is Chatina's application. With this application, you can connect to your customers or your visitors online. From the left sidebar here, I can click on Setup Widget, and then I will click my website platform. Here, our platform is WordPress. Then I have to download my WordPress plugin. Here, from plugins, add new plugin menu in my WordPress dashboard. I have to click upload plugin and choose my file here. I will choose the downloaded file and click on install now to install Chatina's plugin on my website. So I have to activate plugin. After activating this plugin, we will have a new menu under the settings menu by the name Chatina, and I have to click on Chatina menu and click connect Chatina to connect my website to Chatina. It says, do you accept to connect your Chatina account with this email address? And I'll say yes, connect it to Chatina. Then my Chatina account is connected to my website. Easy peasy. And now I can go to my website, and yes, it's added to my website. Now I can click on this widget and send a message to my operators. You can have multiple operators to answer to your users. That's it. You've added online chat for your sales, for boost your customer support, and to be connected to your website visitors and your customers. Easy, online, and directly you can connect and send messages to your customers. With this system, with Chatina, actually you can target your users. You can choose a user and then send a message to user, and you can set it to send messages automatically to your users based on your users behavior, based on which page user is visiting, um, how long your users spend on your page, and then you can manage your automation and your targeting automation for each visitor. That's it. You can use Chatina. It's completely free. You don't have to pay for use basics of Chatina.